Hey guys, it's Deepica, and this month for my monthly favorites, instead of sort of doing my normal just products I like and don't like, I decided to theme it around beach must-haves, just because I went to the beach recently and I posted about it. I did it on Insta stories and you guys were like, yes, tell me what you use. So I essentially took the beach bag I took and dumped it on this table and decided why not just show them that and kind of, for the most part, theme it around that. So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys. And instead of doing my monthly things that went well, things I wanna do more better, I'm gonna give a little spiel for you guys at the end of this video on my thoughts on the importance of sunscreen. So go all the way to the end to watch that spiel. But for now, let's get started on my April favorites. First and foremost, let's talk about your skin. There's a lot of different SPF products that I use, but the one that I used and discovered years and years ago that's kind of getting a moment now is Supergoop, because they have both body and face products that come in a spray that makes it really easy, and it doesn't leave a gray overcast on my skin. Really travel friendly, and it's SPF 50, has vitamin C. Check them out. They have a lot of different products for SPF that surprisingly made by Caucasian people, but very tinty in the sense that they do not show overcast on your face, and I'm so sick of the gray over freaking cast on my face. Now moving on from SPF, some fun products. Everybody wants that sun-kissed, beautiful kind of look on their skin. To be honest, I did the Fenty Body Lava. I wanted to include it in this, but I kind of think this is a better product. It's this BECCA Shimmering Perfector liquid. It's so beautiful, you guys, and they have so many different colors. This one's opal, this is champagne pop, they have a rose gold. This product not only can be used on your body and your skin all over to give you a nice glow, you can put it on your face, and if you really want to get a really intense glow, you can put it on before you put on your makeup, or you can use it just to target on specific parts of your face. I personally really like opal. Rose gold looks beautiful too. Moonstone's more for the lighter shades, but check out their website because their campaign is really inclusive and has a lot of different women. It's pretty dope. I think you guys know by now I won't talk about a brand unless they support the tinted community, and BECCA has so many incredible highlighters and products that just really speak to women of all different hues. Another product from them that I love is, obviously you guys must know them, they're Shimmering Skin Perfectors. This rose gold is the one that I have on right now because I was actually surprised. Usually I do the one that's opal, more gold, like champagne pop, but this rose gold was really pretty on my skin. And again, you can target it to specific parts of your body or put it on your face layered on top of your makeup. This doesn't really have to do with the beach, except for if you're leaving the beach and just want to have a highlight on your face. The minerals are so soft and creamy that it just feels like it's sort of just melting into your skin. I think it's because it has these pearls that just sort of just kind of glow on you. It's kind of amazing, and I love that because, I don't know if you know this, fun fact, Mutyala means pearl. That's my last name. So I did a partnership with them where they basically wanted me to showcase what this looked like on my skin, and I couldn't have been more happy. I've been using BECCA forever and ever. Their Ultimate Coverage Foundation in Bamboo is such a full coverage, incredible yellow undertone product that I love. So this was basically a no-brainer for me. The formula is just boom in your face, stunning. I love both the liquid and the mineral powder, and I love the variants of all the colors. Moving on. This baby right here, this is the Essential 8 kit from Trestique, and you guys have heard me talk about this before, but they actually have some new products. If you guys saw my Instagram story the other day, I basically got ready in the car on the way to the beach. I don't normally do that. It's not like I'm that girl who puts a full face on before going to the beach. It's the beach, I get it. But I wanted to test things out to see what was friendly for going to the beach, and that's exactly why this Trestique 8 Essentials kit makes so much sense in my life, because it really has all the 8 different products that I need to get me through the day. Also, you guys, I've talked about this before, but it has this mirror on the top of it, so it just makes it so I can literally go like this and put on my products, close it up in this packet, zip it up, and it's ready to go. I think that this is the perfect kit for when you're going from beach to dinner. The really dope part is that there's specific things that you can pick to match your skin tone and something that you want for you. You can get it at Sephora, but you can really customize it at Trestique.com. So let me just kind of take you through all the products in here. So they have a tint stick in here, and the shade that I use is Waikiki Tan is the color. And I will tell you that there's certain times in the year when it matches me better than other times in the year, but it does right now because I'm a little tanner. And it's a tinted moisture blend stick, so it just kind of gives you this soft coverage. But when you're going beach to dinner, it's really dope because every single Trestique product is dual-ended, so you can take the other end and sort of just blend it into your skin if you don't want to use your hands, which obviously I do that a lot too, but some of these really do work really well to blend in your makeup. So after you put on that, you can move on to the concealer. This is the Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. I use the shade Toffee. This isn't a full coverage concealer. It's definitely buildable, but it does work for me, and it's something I use when I'm on the go. And also, of course, it is dual-ended as well. And the next product is the blush. The blush that I use is the Bora Bora Coral. It's really perfect for, again, summer, springtime. Really beautiful formula that goes from cream to sort of a powder finish onto your skin, and it just sort of seeps right in. And I love this color. It is also buildable. This is one of my favorite brushes that they have on the other end. I like the texture of it, and it's easy to use. And then when it comes to the next product, basically you can pick between a highlighter or a bronzing stick from Trestique, and I honestly am a huge fan of their highlighter. It's the shade Maldives Luminescent. It also just shows up really well on my skin, which I really appreciate, and the formula is really beautiful. And you can pick between this or the bronzer. And then they have this liner that's really great. It's a line sharpen and smudge eye pencil. Santorini Black Sand is my go-to pick, and I love that it smooths on, glides on really beautifully. Doesn't smudge unless you want it to smudge, and that's what the other side does. It has a smudger. You can take it and create a little smoke if you want to. One of my top favorite products from Trestique is definitely their brow pencil. I used it today, as you can see. The Define Sculpt and Set Brow Pencil. I use the shade Espresso. It's just like a really beautiful color. It makes it a little darker, which I like, and I can just like kind of fluff this right in to the parts that I need to fill in. But then the other side has this beautiful gel. It's a tinted gel. It kind of voluminizes your brows while still you can tame it at the end and make sure they stay down and you can put them where you want it to go. So this is an awesome, awesome brow pencil if you guys are interested in trying. And next I'm gonna tell you about the Color Smudge Shadow Crayons. This is Venetian Gold. They have a variety of different shades, which makes it so awesome because you can use it as an eyeshadow or underneath your eye as a liner. I like to do the neutral color, but they also have really fun pops of color also to choose from. And again, this formula is really beautiful, and shadow is like not my thing, but I can just take this and put it on my whole lid and just kind of blend it out, and boom, all done. Other side can go in the corner, smudge it out, done, ready to go. So this is one of their two different lip products. This is the Matte Color and Shiny Lip Balm. One side of it has this beautiful balm that really nourishes your lips, and the other side has the actual lip product on it. Really moisturizing, gorgeous range of colors. And then there is their latest lip product, which is their Lip Glaze. It's a lip primer and a color, and it leaves a little bit of a tint on your lips, so it lasts beyond even when the color comes off. It leaves kind of like a nice little pigment on your lips that lasts much longer. I just did a lip glaze campaign with them, and I was honestly really surprised to see the different colors that worked on my skin. I have a video on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out, which shows all the different colors that they carry. They gave me a code, Deepica20, for anything on Trestique.com. If you guys want to try, whether it's the Essential 8 Kit or one of these products individually, feel free to use my code. I'll put it down below just as a reminder. So all of this comes inside this kit right here, perfect for the girl on the go. This is the Estee Lauder bronzer. It's the Bronze Goddess in the shade Deep. Okay, this is dope for those people who just like after you leave the beach and just kind of want to have a nice bronziness to your skin but don't really want to do much else. And it has this brush inside of it, which I really like, and it just like you can throw it onto the parts of your face that you're trying to chisel out. And the color Deep is really beautiful. I know it's really hard to find bronzers for someone with my skin tone, so I just want to throw that out there. If you're somebody who's like, I'm leaving the beach and I just want to put on a little bronzer, I would put that on and add on this baby, which is the Tatcha Dewy Mist. And I think if you're somebody who's just like a girl on the go and just wants to have an all over glow, you can just put this on your face, a few sprays of it, that and the bronzer, and you're done. Oh wait, sorry, I can't end this without talking about a fragrance. You guys, if you're going to the beach and you're going out afterwards, this is a must. These fragrances smell epic. Jo Malone nailed it with this Blossom collection. All of them are so incredible. These two are Nashi Blossom and Plum Blossom. I can't pick a favorite. I like them both. I don't know how to describe it. Shai, can you smell this and tell me what your favorites are and how you describe them? I feel like it's like an incredible beach experience. Why couldn't y'all do that on camera? This studio now smells incredible. This still has like a beachy scent to it, but more in a way that's like you're not sweaty smelling and just smell good. I always carry this Dove deodorant, oh, and some Clairon dry shampoo, and this Oribe stuff right here, which is a Sweat Up Volume Powder Spray. Just gives you a little volume and sucks up all the like dryness. Okay, this is too many products. I think I need to do like an hour-long beach essentials video, but I hope you guys learned something from this. And now for my little spiel. 7th grade, I remember going to the pool with this girl who was like super cool, and she was like, let's go tanning. And I was like, okay, let's go tanning, yay. And I felt so cool. I was like in my little bikini, hanging out with all the cool white girls. I just remember going home and literally tears coming down my mom's face, like actual real tears. And I was like, wait, what did I do wrong? The idea of beautiful in my mother's mind was that you have to be fair-skinned to be beautiful. And I think that is the mindset that I feel like really, really is ingrained in South Asian moms, but also Asian moms. And it's just really ironic because my white friends and Caucasian friends are trying to get tanner, and then my tanner friends are trying to get more fair because they were told that that's more beautiful. It's all freaking beautiful and it doesn't really matter, and love the skin you're in. And so I love going to the sun. I'm terrified of the ocean. That's a random fun fact. Fish freak me out a lot, but I do love the beach and just being there and the zenfulness and the breeze. That being said, it is so important to take care of your skin and wear SPF and sunscreen and not just like bake your skin without putting any type of protection on. It could lead to really permanent damage, and it really freaks me out to even think about that. Embrace the sun, enjoy the sun. Don't go hide under an umbrella, but do it carefully and making sure that you're really protecting yourself and your skin. So that's my spiel. It comes from a very vulnerable place in my life, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Let me know down below what your favorite beach must-have beauty product is. I could have kept freaking going, but this is kind of the roundup of what I just took recently. So thanks guys. Subscribe. Did I already say that? If not, subscribe to my channel. Peace, love, and stay tinty. You like how I threw that in? That's gonna always happen. Stay tinted, live tinted, love your hues. Goodbye.